Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all will be in good health. I am your science teacher of grade 3. Students, open your book page number 21. Today we start our new unit 3, Habitats of the World. What do you mean by habitats? Habitats are actually area where living things live and grow comfortable. It's that area where living things live comfortable. In this unit, we will study about different living things and their habitat. Come to the next page, page number 22. There are many places on earth with either very high or low temperatures or no water or very few plants. However, such places are still able to support a variety of living things. In the world, there are many places. Some are very high, some are with very low temperature. Some areas have no water and some have very few plants. But these places are still able to support living things. I wonder, how do you think plants survive in area with no water? How do you think that plants survive with no water? So those plants which survive in areas with no water, they have their habitats. Their way of living needs no water. That's why they can survive in that area where there is no water. Places to live. A habitat of a living thing is the area where it can live and grow comfortably, even if it is difficult environment for other living things. What is habitat? Habitat is a living thing, actually the area where living things survive, where living things live comfortable, and the environment is difficult if the environment is difficult for other living things. A habitat can be very hot or very cold. It can be up on a mountain or deep in the ocean or in the wide plains. It could even be a city or a village, but these are known as man-made habitat. Now habitat is either be hot or cold. Some areas are very hot, for example desert area. Some areas are very cold, for example polar. Now it's either be on mountains or in oceans. It could be even a city or village. Now this city or village, it's a man-made habitat. It's made by a man. City or village is a habitat made by a man. Natural habitats are of following types. Now here are some natural habitats. First one is aquatic. Aquatic means those living things which survive in water. It's related to oceans, water. Polar habitat. Polar habitat when there is severe cold. It's present in very high areas. Desert. Desert is a dry sandy areas. Forest. In forest there is a lot of trees. All habitats are different from each other, and as a result so are the plants and animals which live and grow in them. The environment of a habitat depends on the following factor. Now all habitat are different from each other. The environment of habitat depends on following factors. The factors of the habitat are the amount of sunlight. It's totally depends on amount of sunlight. How much amount of sunlight, how hot the sun rays are there. Second is water. Third is the quality of air and soil. Fourth is temperature, if the temperature is high or low. All these factors together form the ecosystem of a habitat. What do you mean by ecosystem? Underline this word. Ecosystem is actually the interaction between living and non-living parts of an environment. What is ecosystem? It's an interaction between living and non-living parts of an environment. An ecosystem is made up by the interaction between the living and non-living parts of environment. It's enough for today. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.